Today I'm going to talk about why the Earth is a habitable planet. First, what makes a planet habitable? In order for a planet to be habitable, it has to have these characteristics. It has to have liquid water, an atmosphere, protection from solar winds and the sun's rays, oxygen, sunlight, soil, and carbon dioxide. So what makes Earth a habitable planet? First is the position from the sun, and Earth is also considered a terrestrial planet. Earth's magnetic field and also the mass. Coming up on the next few slides, I will go into detail about each of these characteristics. So first is the position from the sun. If a planet is too close to the sun, the liquid water will turn into a gas. But if the planet is too far from the sun, then the liquid water will freeze. This means that the position from the sun is important because all living creatures need liquid water to survive. So depending on the position from the sun would determine if creatures were able to survive on the planet. Earth is also considered a terrestrial planet, which means that Earth is a solid and it's rocky. And this allows Earth to contain soil, which in return allows plants to grow. Next, I'm going to talk about Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field protects against solar winds that could be damaging to the environment. The magnetic field also helps maintain the atmosphere, and this atmosphere helps protect from solar radiation and also keeps molecules trapped in the atmosphere. This is important because it keeps oxygen trapped in the atmosphere, which allows many species to survive. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is the Earth's mass. The mass of a planet directly impacts the climate, which means if the climate of the planet is either too hot or too cold, the planet would be uninhabitable.